Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm CashApp. Welcome to my channel, you guys. So y'all, in today's video, I'm going to be decluttering our second barn. Y'all, we have so much stuff, okay? Go ahead and put that out there on the table. We have so much stuff, so much to do. I'm pretty sure our barn is sold, but I'm not sure. I don't know more tomorrow, but anyway, we have to get that stuff out of that barn that I stored in there and store it in our second barn, and declutter what's in our second barn. Okay, y'all, it's a whole lot. Okay, but I just wanted to come and get this video started. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm having a great day so far. I'm about to fix the kids some lunch in a little while, and then I'm going to go ahead outside and get started what I need to get started. So, hey y'all, so I don't think I ever showed you guys inside of this barn, but y'all, this barn has so much stuff like the other one. We have 3 deep freezers in here. And this is all the stuff that we have to declutter and organize. Over the years, y'all, we just threw it in here and kept pushing, okay? But this lawnmower is definitely coming out so we can, you know, get that space over there. But this is everything. Ready to get this work started again, y'all, like we did last time? We're gonna knock this out of the park like we did the last one. But like I said, we gotta get everything out of this barn over here. So y'all, if you remember Christmas 2021, I got this for Babe. Y'all, he still has not opened this. This has been stuck in this barn. Yeah, just stuck in here, collecting dust, dirt, and all. Okay. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, go look at our Christmas.
I know I can be unkind, but you're not always understanding. I like to take my time, but time is what you're always chasing. I know I like to hide, but you're not always keen on seeking. You said you're up for the fight, but I would rather keep on pretending. I feel the divide between you and I, like the distance between the dark and light. But just as the dawn is both day and night, maybe I can make you mine, make you mine.
Pool's ready for Christmas, y'all. I'm so excited and so ready to decorate.
Make you mine, make you mine. I know that I have grown jaded, and we could lament over losing the days of our youth. Memories faded, the years we look forward to might be over soon. I feel the divide between you and I, like the distance between the dark and light. Just as the dawn is both day and night, maybe I can make you mine. I feel the divide between you and I, like the distance between the dark and light. Just as the dawn is both day and night, maybe I can make you mine, 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 make you
So you guys already know that my kids just got over, well, they had hand, foot, and mouth disease. They just got over hand, foot, and mouth disease, you guys, and they actually have colds now. And unfortunately, you guys, baby Cairo is suffering from their effects of having a cold, because now he has it. So I just been trying to keep the air moist, you know, with my humidifier, keeping his nose suction, you guys, because honestly, there's not much that I can do for him right now, but keeping him hydrated and stuff like that. But for the most part, y'all, he is doing okay. I think I am going to take him to the hospital though, so to make sure he doesn't have any pneumonia. And you guys already know how I feel about pneumonia. Y'all already know my daughter passed away from pneumonia, so there was no talking about me and Babe taking him to his actual doctors, only because my anxiety is so high and I need like x-rays. I need x-rays and stuff like that, just to be sure. I don't think he has it, but just to be sure, if that makes sense, because he does have you can hear like mucus in his chest or whatever. I don't know if it's in his chest or in his throat, but like I said, I've been trying my best to keep everything clean and clear, but sometimes, you know, using that is just not enough. But so yeah, like I said, I'm gonna take him to the hospital tomorrow, but I'll keep you guys, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated with baby Cairo. Tomorrow he will be 3 months. So yeah, he's definitely getting big and he's growing beautifully, you guys. He's such a happy baby. Y'all, he stays smiling. Such a happy baby. Baby Phoenix is doing good too, y'all. Papa is getting so big. He's all over the place, you guys. Never wants to sit down nowhere, okay? He's either super happy or super upset, so don't make him angry, but he's definitely happy too, y'all. He has a cold too. Like I said, they all have colds after hand, foot, and mouth disease, which is crazy, y'all. Crazy, right? But yeah, I just want to give you guys a little update while I sit here and feed baby Cairo. Like I told you guys earlier, that we are clearing out our first barn, because we already cleaned out the second one, so we need to clean out the first one and get everything organized in that barn and take everything out of our second barn and put it into that barn. So it's basically just decluttering, downsizing everything in that barn, because y'all, as you saw, we have a lot of stuff, okay? So yeah, just wanted to talk to you guys, give you guys a bit of update on everybody. So yeah, y'all. Hey, Mama Man. Hi, Mama Man. Hi. Yeah, Cairo. All right, y'all, so now that we done burnt baby Cairo, I'm about to go lay him down so I can go back outside and get back to work, y'all, because I have a lot of stuff that I need to do. I'm so glad that Papa is asleep. The girls are still up, but Papa is asleep and Buggy is up too, y'all. So let's lay.
Mom, that's for Cairo.
Y'all like cocomelon?
Yes. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep,
Get it back here. Get it, girl. Do it, Bella. Do it, London. Alright, y'all. So, back outside with the boys. As you guys can see, they basically got literally all the stuff out of the barn. So, I'm going to go over here to this barn and go ahead and get everything out, y'all. Yeah, baby. No. Alright, y'all. So let's go ahead and get this thing started. So if you can remember, this is all the stuff that's in our barn that's actually going to be sold, and this stuff right here has to go inside that barn over there, and then we have to organize all of this stuff over there, you guys. But for the most part, we're making progress. Your girl is tired, okay, but we're about to go ahead and get this knocked out the ballpark. So
what happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time, you probably need a break to see if you would do whatever and die together. But baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time, you probably need a break to see if you would do whatever and die together. But baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see if you were down, whatever. Ride and die together, but baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see if you were down, whatever. Ride and die together, but baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see if you were down, whatever. Ride and die together, but baby, know that I'm good either way.
Y'all, guess what? We are done. The barn is empty, you guys. Y'all don't even understand how big this barn is. This barn is huge. I'm going to stand in the corner. Show you guys how big this barn is. It's so big, y'all. Well, anyway, let's clean, just get this trash up, and then we are done. Okay, we are done. So I'll show you guys how we did the other one. So I just wanted to come and update you guys. I know earlier in the vlog I said that I was going to take him to the hospital probably tomorrow. I did not end up waiting until tomorrow. I'm actually here at the hospital, you guys, at the Children's Emergency Room Department with baby Cairo, you guys. Just want to make sure that he's, like I told y'all, have pneumonia. Y'all already know my daughter passed away from pneumonia, so you know, a little cough here, a little cough there, especially when they're this young, you know, and I can't give them any type of medication. I just rather be safe than sorry. So your girl that was not waiting to take him to his doctor, I took him to the emergency room, okay? So yeah, we're here. I'll keep you guys updated. So thanks so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Say hi, Cairo. Say hello. Yeah, say hello. Okay. Say hey, she's Pretty Red family. Yes. Say hey, she's Pretty Red family. Conversations with my baby be like,